Great Lakes Prepping here. In a previous video, I made a portable clothes hanging rack out of PVC tubing and a few connectors. While planning out and building that project, I had another idea that I have since worked out on paper and I'm going to build today. I'm talking about a PVC shelving unit. I wanted a freestanding rack of shelves that could be broken down for transport and storage and set up within a few minutes. As far as PVC projects go, this one is a little more elaborate and will involve a few components that aren't PVC pipe related exactly, but I think it's going to be super cool and I'm excited to see how it comes out. So let's get right into it and start building this thing. Real quick, let's take a look at the blueprint I sketched up. We're going to start with the framework of this whole thing. As you can see, there are a lot of parts, and that means we have to cut a lot of lengths of PVC. For this, I'm using 3/4 inch pipe, and I'll start measuring them and cutting them with my handy PVC pipe cutter. By the way, a lot of people ask me about this tool, so I put a link to it in the video description below if you want to take a look. For my shelving unit design, I need 8 24-inch pipes, 10 12-inch pipes, 32 6-inch pipes, and 4 2-inch pipes. And then there's the fittings. We need a whole pile of connectors to build this. 32 T connectors, 4 90-degree elbow pieces, 4 straight couplings, and 4 flat end caps. And here's that whole list again if you want to pause the video and write these down. Now we've got all the pipes and connectors, and we just have to put the whole thing together. First, I'll do the vertical leg pieces. I'll start off with one of the 2-inch pipes, and then I'm just alternating between T connectors and 8 of those 6-inch pipes. And as I go, I'll give each fitting a tap with the rubber mallet, just to make sure everything is nice and snug. Note that I'm positioning every other T connector piece differently, making the side openings alternate between facing up or out. And I'll finish it off with a 90-degree elbow piece. I'll repeat this 3 more times, so I have 4 leg pieces. And now to turn those 4 leg pieces into 2 complete side pieces, basically I'm just going to connect 2 of the legs together using those 12-inch pipes. Then I'll do the same with the other 2 leg pieces. And now I'm ready to join both sides together using those 24-inch pipes. I'll put the pipes into the fittings on one side piece, then set the other side piece in place. Make sure to give everything a good tap with the mallet. And lastly, I'll add those little flat end cap pieces to the bottom of the 4 corner pipes, which will be the feet of this shelving unit. A quick note, these flat end caps are made especially for furniture and projects and are often hard to find in an actual hardware or plumbing store. So I buy these online and I'll put a link to them in the video description. Now the frame is all done, and all that's left to do is make my shelves. Because I want this entire thing to be collapsible and portable, I needed to figure out how to make shelves that would achieve this. And since I want this unit mostly for things like clothes and not, say, my priceless porcelain vase collection, I decided to make the shelves out of fabric. So I made a quick template and dug up some canvas fabric I had left over from some other project a while back. This was a pretty basic operation. Cut a rectangle, hem the 2 short edges, and fold both long edges over and sew into 2 big loops. Repeat 3 more times and my shelves are ready to go. To put them in place, I need to pop one of the side assemblies off of my shelving unit. Then just slide those fabric loops over the center shelf support pipes. Then put the frame back on, and voila! Now I've got a sturdy shelving unit that is great for when I need something portable, temporary, fast, or just relatively inexpensive. My original intention was to use this for camping to set up inside my huge tent, but now that it's completed and I'm looking at it, I've already thought up a few other uses for it right here at home. And while there are a million pieces to pull apart and reassemble, it can all be broken down and stored in a box, bucket, or bag for easy transport. So that's about it. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay up to date with all our latest stuff, including future PVC pipe project videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this is Great Lakes Prepping.